Sí. No voy a sacar mucho. So we're trying to go out of the garage, plenty of cars, and it's time to test the R5. So we are on the road, checking that every single thing is working in the R5. It's been a while, the car has been stopped, because it's been finished for a long time now. But I'm sorry that we had to post this video before, but Tony was pushing me to to go and test the car. Obviously, well, as you can see in the camera, the steering wheel is not straight. Now we need to do all the alignment, but I wanted to check that all the sensors, the pressure gauge, the turbo is blowing, that everything is, well, I can tell you that the feeling of the car, look at that, is totally different. So the car is going straight, but anyway, we need to make the proper alignment. That we will do it as soon as we arrive to the garage, and obviously later I will test it again because it's super fun to try. Left, right, it's totally different than the car that we have driven before. We're going up the hill, left, right. Actually, the car has a nice feeling. We have changed all the rubbers, silent blocks, super cool. Obviously, I love how this turbo blows, it's amazing. I can tell you guys, it's amazing. And yeah, actually now we're going to the place that we love to take some of the pictures of the car. And yeah, I will just enjoy the drive. I'm sorry for that. Project done. Steering wheel, everything now is correct. It was a little bit out of codes. Well, you could see that it was totally on the left, and yeah, it's now when it's blowing, it's totally straight. Super happy. Now also when we brake, it's straight in a little curve, but it's perfect. So project finished.